Hello and welcome back to this tutorial. In our previous video, we had introduced this module and we said that we are going to be learning how to automate our daily lives with Python. So in this automation series, we are going to be working with a couple of things. We are going to learn how to automate functions on our system. So we are going to be using the sched and the schedule library. So sched is a built-in library in Python, and schedule is a third-party library that we are going to install. And this sched library, that is the built-in library, can be used across operation systems, but the schedule library can be used only on Windows. Okay, so we are going to be learning how to use the both of them to automate our taxes. And let's say you have a tax that is supposed to send you a mail on a daily basis, right? So you can use sched or schedule library to automate this tax. And by that time of the day, on daily basis or on weekly basis, then that mail will be sent, or that action that you want your system, your Python script to run for you will be executed, right? So now, like I said earlier, there are two libraries that we are going to be using. There is another framework that can be used, but that one is meant only for Linux operating systems, right? So we are going to be learning the one that works with Windows for now. So probably in another video, we are going to treat how to use cron to automate our taxes in a Linux operating system. Now, for the sake of this video, we are going to be creating a virtual environment, and I believe you already know how to do that because we are going to be installing a couple of things and we don't want to install it globally in our system. So without further waste of your time, I'm going to just write the command for creating a virtual environment. So I'm going to say python dash make virtual environment, and I'm going to call it VNV. Okay, and with this we have our virtual environment. Okay, so I'm going to activate it by writing my source vnv slash script slash activate. And right now, I'm going to install all the libraries that we are going to be using for this automation series. So I am going to install three libraries. So the first one is the schedule library. So I'm simply going to write pip install schedule. And if you look at our virtual environment, you now see that we have this schedule installed here, right? So the next one I'm going to install is Twilio. All right, so this Twilio is a library in Python that we are going to be using to send SMS to phone numbers. So you can use it to send SMS, you can use it to send authentication codes to your users. So I'm going to just write it pip install Twilio, and now our Twilio is installing. So the next thing we are going to be installing is called PyAuto GUI. So, and this is used to automate your keyboard and your mouse. So I'm going to clear my terminal and also install it. So now that we have successfully installed all the dependencies that we need for this series, I'm going to clear all of this. So the next thing we are going to do is that we are going to take a look at how to use the sched and the schedule library. So for the meantime, I'm going to stop this video and I will see you in the next video. And we are going to continue in the next video. So see you in the next one.